Hey y'all, welcome back. Today we're going to do another breakdown video, but we're going to do one about color this time. So right here you guys are seeing me doing balayage in the back so that I can give an illusion of a full application, but really we're doing a partial. The reason why my client is here in my chair is because she went swimming and her hair oxidized because of the chlorine and it turned her hair like a bluish green, which is what y'all saw in the first clip. Before y'all hop down my comments saying, well, you could have done a Malibu treatment, literally shut up. Yes, I could have done a Malibu treatment, but my girl wanted to be light all over. And she was going to get that. And I felt really comfortable not doing a Malibu treatment because first the teal was very light, but you could definitely tell when you look at her, but I knew it was going to lift out. And then on top of that, her hair naturally lifts when she's in the sun a lot. And she just wanted to match all over. So, please don't hop down my comments. I am a professional. Pipe down. I know what I'm doing. I promise. This is my client's first time getting her hair color before, which made me feel more comfortable using bleach with this application. The bleach that I am using today is from Davinus. It is called Progress. It is a toning bleach. It is purple, so it tones the hair while it is processing. And I also added tolerance, which protects the hair as the hair is processing. I like to tease the hair when I balayage because it makes more for a seamless blend. And then I would do it in the shape of a W or a V so that it can get a nice blend. Y'all see this diamond right here? I am going to be starting my highlights. So when I do highlights, I typically do basically like baby weaves everywhere because my clients typically don't want no dimension and they want maximum blonde coverage. The hair that I'm weaving out before I put in a foil, there might be like 9 to 12 or maybe more hairs. I really don't count. I kind of just do it until like the hair gods tell me to stop. So I have no idea. I just know it's a super thin section. I pick the hair out, put in the foil, put the bleach in there, and then fold it up. The more you do highlights, you'll know exactly what I'm talking about. You will just know when it's enough hair. And like depending on what look they're going for, you either would do big weaves or small ones, depending if they need dimension or not. You just will know. Practice makes perfect. But I will continue to do this process until this diamond is done. After when I'm done with the highlights, I am going to tip her ends out because there was still some green there. Now, the key to have a blendy highlight without it looking stripy is to angle your parts before you weave into that foil. That's how I get a nice blendy highlight. It looks like it grows out of my client's scalp every single time. It looks so good when it's wet, dry, it don't matter. It looks good. It looks like it's grew out of her scalp. So yeah, that's how I do it. I just do angle parts all the way up. And I would do this both on the left and right side. And I also tipped out this highlight in the front as well. I did it on both sides.
Look at me dead in my eyes, you see all the times that I had to go slide. Too many sticks, you go to war with whoever ain't never been biased. Too many sticks, I was there, your ops, and none of them died. Pussy. Hold up, hold up, hold up. Why you pull up at 1 in the morning and sit on the edge of the bed? Texting emojis, tongue out, eggplant must have went over her head. Catching my side of the skill, make him repeat what he said. Pussy. Yeah, let's have sex in the car. The Maybach came with a bar. I'm wiping my dick with a bra. Snipe his ass, he got hit in the head for far. Ops get undivided attention, I give them my all. God.
After when I get done foiling her up, I let her process for 30 minutes. And after when I get done letting her process, I washed her hair. The shampoo that I always use with my blondes is the Heart of Glass shampoo from Davinus. I toned with Aveda's Demi Permanent Color. I used 8N and 9N. And then I use light ash. And then I use just like 2 grams of light gold. Now, if you use the Aveda color, you will understand how to use like the grammage, but I feel like it's way too confusing and I'll have to make a whole video on it if you guys are interested. The reason I added a little bit of gold to her formula was because it will make the color pop. Like, I don't know, I could have used ash if I wanted to, but that's not the look we was going for. I felt like it would be too ashy because her hair lifted to a nice yellow tone, like a level 9, 10, and it lifted beautifully. But I just feel like just adding a little bit of gold into your ash formula just makes the color pop. Because look how buttery, look how champagne-y this looks. This looks good. Hold on, do y'all see how blendy this highlight looks? Look, do y'all see it? Do y'all see that? Look how good this color looks. This looked like she grew this color. She was born with this color. Do y'all understand? This looks so good, beautiful. Do y'all see any blue? I think not. I just wanted to remind y'all this is what we was working with before. I also did a haircut on her as well. If y'all want to see like the full service, I do have it here on YouTube. Check me out. Y'all, I can't even lie. I outdid myself with this one. I did that. I ate this up. I hope y'all enjoyed my video. Bye.